South Korea reported fewer than 300,000 new cases of COVID-19 today. And as the country moves toward dealing with the virus as endemic, the authorities are saying the distancing rules and other measures will be lifted gradually. For instance, now people who are infected will be able to pick up their medicine from the pharmacy in person. Shin Ye-eun reports.
South Korea reported 286,294 new COVID-19 infections on Wednesday. Though this was an increase of more than 20,000 from a day ago, it was still a drop of roughly 14,000 compared to what we saw last week. For 3 weeks straight, the Omicron wave has been on the decline. The reproduction number for COVID-19 last week fell below 1 for the first time in 11 weeks. Authorities on Wednesday decided to allow those recovering from the virus at home to pick up their own medication at the pharmacy. This will reduce the inconvenience of having to ask someone else to get it for them, especially for people who live alone and might not have anyone to ask. When picking up their medicine, infected people should follow some new guidelines.
We ask those infected to stand outside the pharmacy and stand 1 meter apart from each other when waiting for their medication. We will also create storage areas where people can pick up their medication with minimum contact. We kindly ask everyone to refrain from talking to others and for pharmacies to abide by all prevention measures.
And recently, authorities have allowed everyone to receive in-person treatment for COVID at local hospitals if they want to. They're trying to expand the number of hospitals that provide these medical services.
We will continue expanding the number of outpatient treatment centers for COVID-19 at local hospitals and clinics, providing in-person treatments. We will also kick off outreach treatment programs where medical staff visit high-risk facilities, like nursing homes themselves.
Nationwide, there are some 4,800 outpatient treatment centers. Authorities are shifting toward treating COVID-19 as an endemic disease, but they emphasized again that this change has to happen gradually. They also mentioned that while the distancing rules will be lifted one by one, the rules on mask wearing won't be among the first. Shin Ye-eun, Arirang News.